Hey guys, what's up? What's good? This is Anosedima. So I'm currently checking the GU market, GBP from the monthly time frame, and this is GBP on a monthly time frame. So our trend on a monthly time frame for GBP. So market is obviously still trending downward from a monthly time frame perspective. But however, let's see what market has been able to do, from our zones. So market is currently eyeing this particular zone. That's why the monthly candle is highly bullish. The monthly candle is highly bullish. The GU monthly candle is massively bullish. So GU monthly candle broke out of internal range, right? And it's about to go for the main range, which is this level. All right. So quickly, I'm going to go to weekly time frame to check what's going on there. And like I said, this is perfectly perfect. So this is the weekly time frame. You notice the weekly time frame is trending up, range the trending up. So, and last week candle closed on a bullish candle. This particular week has opened with a bullish candle. So I'm expecting market to just dangle a little bit around this area and have a massive push up. That's what I'm expecting the market to do now on the weekly time frame. So market is eyeing this particular area. Don't forget, that's what market is eyeing on GU. So quickly, I'm going to go to daily time frame. So this is daily time frame and daily time frame. Now market took out this one and made a little retest yesterday, and obviously market is about to pop up again today. GU market is about to pop up again today. So obviously you're going to say which candles is sponsoring this momentum. Okay. For here, the candle that sponsored this momentum is this. And which candle is about to sponsor this momentum? So the candle that's about to sponsor this momentum is this particular candle. All right, this is the candle that is about to sponsor this momentum. Because right now you have seen an engulfing candle. Okay, so this particular, what's happening today now has engulfed yesterday. So that being said, I'm going to go to 4 hours quickly, and let's see what 4 hours is going to show us. So before we try to sell now, okay, before we even think of selling, at least if we are selling for short term, we're not selling for long term. All right, but before we think of selling, we need to see this particular level, this structure being broken, which is here, right? If the structure is not broken downward, we are not selling anytime soon. So that being said as well, I'm going to quickly go to 1 hour time frame. So this is how 1 hour time frame look exactly like. So there's a liquidity here. Which you can call it structure. There's also liquidity here. So we want to see what markets will do on this both different side. First of all, like I said, where I am waiting for a buy from is this particular zone. So I want to see if I'll buy markets from this particular area, because first of all, there's a sponsor candle of this momentum here, which makes it a good buying area, and you see a fair value gap around this whole zone. So this whole place needs to be balanced. This is an imbalance, all right? So this whole area need to be balanced. It needs to be balanced back. So, however, we can see the market has taken away this particular structure, liquidity. Okay, so market just broke this liquidity. So I'm going to be waiting for market to do whatever it wants to do. Then I will sell to this point and then buy back. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Once market is done with whatever it wants to do, then I'll sell to this point and then I'll buy back. Okay, so it's as simple as that. I'm going to sell to that point and I'm going to buy back. But now let's have a quick look at how I'll sell to that point. Remember, we have structure being broken here, and then of course we have liquidity at the bottom. So I'm going to go to 30 minutes to find that out. So 30 minutes time frame is showing us something pretty nice. So I'm going to adjust this like this. Just this way. So 30 minutes time frame is showing something more pretty nice. Let me make it a bit bigger. So the only time I'm going to be selling, no selling yet. All right, this like analysis, no entry yet. The only time I'm going to be selling is when I see the 30 minutes moving towards this particular sponsor of this candle, right? And then breaking it, moving above, coming down again to break this particular structure. Okay, so this will now be a new structure here. The other black line is going to be a new structure. All right. So I want to see 15 minutes, 30 minutes creating a structure and breaking that structure. So once that structure is being broken, then I can now look for an entry, a sell entry around this area. A sell entry around this area, and I wait for market to give me a little bit of retest onto that zone, and then I'll sell downward before I buy back up this way. So it's quite a simple model that I use that work for me all of the time. And like I say, why I would like to sell a bit downward is because first there's a liquidity right down here, which is this. There's a liquidity right down here, which is this. So I need markets to take away this liquidity, internal liquidity. Market needs to take away this liquidity. Market needs to fill this imbalance, and then market needs to tap into this other block, which is a sponsor block. All right, so I need these things to happen. So because I want it to happen, I would have you ask me, why am I not waiting for market to do all of these things first before I sell? Well, that's fine. I just want to have a little bit right down, a little bit percent down before I buy back the market. So if I'm going to be selling it down, I'm only going to be risking a very little amount of my capital, which is 2% on this trade. So my stop loss is going to be about 15 pips. And my take profit is going to be about 90 pips. All right. So perfect. My take profit is going to be about 100 pips. So this is the point I'll be selling from. Like I said, I'm not selling yet until I see a structure change. Okay, a micro structure change on 13 minutes. I see it changing this way, coming down again, which I'll see as a change of character. So I need to see this happen before I sell down to the downside. All right. And once I sell down, then I'm going to be buying back up again from this bottom. But before I buy back, I'm also going to like to see a change of character, on a microstructure. And then I also like to see some confirmation as a bullish order flow before I'm going to enter. But yes, this is what I would like to trade. All right, so I'm currently just waiting for the market to happen. Once it happens, I'm going to take it. Once it happens, I'm going to take it. So this is what I'm like to trade. This particular setup you have seen here is what I'm going to be trading. So once it happens, then I'll trade it. So I'm screenshotting this down and sending it to you right now. And yeah, so that's that for that. Like I said, my name is Dema. Have a very wonderful time trading. Remember, don't risk more than 1.5 or at most 2% of your account. Don't do that. There's no 100% certainty anywhere in the market, even the life we live. Nobody's 100% sure what will happen tomorrow. Okay, we just speculate, but we try as much as possible to keep our risk very low. Remember, please don't trade what you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so if you have $100, make sure what you are risking is only $2 or at most $3. Okay, so with $100, don't use more than 0.01 or at most 0.02. With $1,000, don't use more than 0.10 or at most 0.20. That's how it goes. So you are just only risking 0. You're just only risking like 1% or 2%, at most 3% of your account per trade. You know. So, and you see the risk reward ratio here is a very good one because we are only risking 15% and trying to make 100, risking 15 pips and about to make 100 pips. That's like 1:6, 1:7, okay, which is a fair thing. So I'm going to be waiting for the market. I don't care whatever it's doing right now. I'm just going to be waiting for it and then to see what will happen. So have a lovely time and bye.